In real life, the beauty of your store is the secret of the growth of your customers. Therefore, in the virtual life, Storeino offers you the best tools that help you make your store in the best look that will give you a very high conversion rate, and also thanks to our powerful servers, your store loads at an incredible speed. Let's go out of this and get to the most delicious part. Storeino provides you with exclusive editions, including our app builder, which enables you to create mobile applications in minutes without codes and without any programming experience. Just with a few clicks, your application will be ready to launch. And because order confirmation and tracking are amongst the most important parts of e-commerce, Storeino offers you a revolutionary edition that enables you to confirm and track orders automatically and very accurately, so that the customer at each stage of the tracking receives a specific message without any intervention from you, which will work for you. High reliability and accuracy in dealing with your customers. Also, Storeino did not forget the landing pages, as it offers you a landing page builder that has the largest plugins that will enable you to create distinctive landing pages with a high conversion rate and an elegant design that makes a product like this look like this. There are many great add-ons that our Storeino platform has, so what are you waiting for? Create your site now on Storeino.com and take your project to the next level.